I don't take health unless I need it.
I take it if I have a spot free just for... Okay, Evan is not playing. I just found him. He's standing there.
You know what you should do?
Okay.
You should stand behind him.
No, I'm leaving.
Oh, wait, see.
I'm leaving. I wonder if Jordan's on. Jordan's with me.
Hopefully he's
Yeah,
on.
Jordan's on it too. Actually,
So I found where the fuse box goes.
Tomorrow's stuff.
I wonder if I can attack
I'm
him.
happy
Or...
Evan wasn't here when I announced that.
Sneak attack.
Not
I
only
just
one
stabbed him in the back. Even though
You're
he's not
able
there.
to stab him in the back?
If you have a bone, yeah. I'm still fucking running though, even though he's not there. It's scaring me.
Yeah.
Christmas. Oh, why can't she fit through there?
Were one of you guys just by Evan, or was that a killer? I'm pretty sure I saw
Oh my
somebody.
God. I'm by Evan.
Okay. Did you stab him too?
Not yet.
Are you waiting
Still
till
trying
he
to get out
starts
of this
playing?
fucking warehouse.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
It was so mean. Made the blip for
Oh,
green
that was
pup.
nerve-wracking. I got a lockpick in front of him as well.
Yeah, I saw it but didn't go for it because I didn't want to risk it. You never know when he's gonna pick the controller up.
I went for it. You're right. I hate how his character keeps looking around his shoulders.
He doesn't exactly stand still. He keeps moving. But Jordan escaped the basement. Did he?
His character like looks behind him, and I hate it. Oh, well, I might as well sneak attack him if he's not here.
Disconnected. Probably from being away from his control so fucking long.
Oh, he's gone.
Probably. Yeah, he just disconnected.
Oh man, what the hell happened to him?
Maybe emergency poop.
I feel like even if he was shitting, it shouldn't have took this long.
Oh my bitch!
No! Oh no! Oh, how long did you see me?
For so long.
The screen was yellow. Am I just marked for you now? I have a red outline around me.
Yep, you were just marked for me now.
That's.
I'll let you get the fuse for an easy go. That was really mean of me to sit here and wait.
How do you get a mark around you?
She poisoned
I'll
me.
give you a freebie. I
Oh.
swear.
Yeah, fuck you. I ain't
give
coming
you a
back
free-
in that room. I'll go find a
No,
different
I
fuse.
swear.
I'll go find a different fuse, man.
Yeah, I got kicked.
Oh, we know.
Evan, I walked up
Yeah.
and
I was
stabbed you
waiting
while you were
behind you, ready to
standing there.
stab you.
No, I just want to see what happens when you grab this fuse. Just.
Oh, you just want to see
Yeah.
what happens.
just
You've
grab it.
never seen that before?
Yes. Yeah.
Bullshit,
no,
you're
no,
gonna
I did
poison
something
us.
to
I can
you.
see
I
you,
did
you know.
something
I can
to the-
see you.
Yep.
I'm looking at you.
I did something to the fuse. I did something to the fuse. Can you just please go pick it up so I can see
Fine,
you?
but if you poison me again, I'll never trust you again.
I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
What did you do? I'm kind of
This
like
is a weird
fucked
round.
up.
Kind of fucked up. Did it
Yeah.
work?
I'm like wobbling around and my health is draining, or my stamina is. What did you do to
poisoned
it?
I
Bitch.
poisoned it. La-da-da-da. La-da-da-da. Okay. We're down below. I heard you. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Oh,
You
you should have
poisoned
grabbed
a-
that potion.
Did you poison the fucking potion? I saw green popping out of it. How are you even doing this
Poison the
shit?
health?
She's poisoning
Oh my
every fucking
God.
item in that fucking building.
Well, she's farting in there and everything.
I forgot there was another one on the loose. Ran right into Dustin, I think.
Barely seen. Is it Dustin?
Got the green shirt. I think Dustin. Yeah, it's gotta be Dustin actually.
God, you are spilling blood.
Dustin's
That's pretty
scrawny.
weak, Clayton.
Dustin's scrawny little fucker can go through the little holes too. I don't know how I'm
think
supposed to
Kim can
lose
as
him.
well.
Yeah, I don't know how to lose these two.
Too loud. Too loud.
Find a well?
Ew.
Oh, let's just hope Kim hasn't poisoned it. Oh! He slashed me and I fell through even further.
I don't think I can go down in there, can I?
I hope not.
Yeah,
don't
you
think so.
can't.
Jesus. Fucking Kim was just in there having fun booby trapping the whole building me and Jordan went to. I don't even know if she knows Jordan was there. Just everything got
No.
after me.
I didn't see.
Yeah, he was there the whole time. I lost him now though. I don't know where him or Alistair are.
Oh yeah, you're not dead. That's right.
Yeah, I'm so...
Oh,
No! Kim, leave me
I'm
alone,
gonna say I'm
dude.
lucky. Don't push buttons. Where'd you go?
Fuck you, man. I'm leaving, actually. I'm fucking leaving. I'm out of here. Who opened that thing?
gotta get some help.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my god, I was on the run for
Apparently
so
you want to
long.
be with me if you. Apparently, if you're in a horror movie, you really want me to be there because I've saved 2 of you so far.
Oh, you heard it close. Does that mean you're nearby? Oh, hello.
Well, I know. It
Alistair,
doesn't
she's
mean
behind
that.
you.
Why would
She's
you think
behind you.
that? Oh, I know she's behind me.
Just in case.
I was worried Kim was going to be impossible to escape from, but
She was for
it
me.
was actually
What?
quite
No.
easy.
She was for me till
Yeah,
you
it
opened
was-
that door.
quite easy unless you're playing. My controller vibrates, so I wonder if it's because I'm closer
Did you guys
to one of you.
finish that match or?
Pretty close.
quite.
It feels
Me
like
and
we
Dustin
might
are
be
still.
close.
Yeah.
You and Jordan are alive.
Oh, Jordan. Fuck, right. It's Jordan, not Dustin.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. I'll check back in a couple minutes.
It all depends on Jordan because Alistair's free. He's leaving right now.
Mhm.
Right, Kim?
I,
You haven't found him in the
Wait,
basement
what?
yet?
no, he's not in the basement.
Are you sure?
How did you know?
They found the way up. Go give some blood to Grandpa.
Oh, Alistair, I almost screwed you over.
You did. Forgot about the lock on there.
What are you doing now? What? Why would you do that?
Maximum ponage.
Why would you do that?
Where is Grandpa?
What's Jordan doing?
He's...
Oh, yeah, it's Jordan with him, right?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, don't tell me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's my phone?
Yeah, text him because...
Yeah.
What he's doing now.
Where you hidden there, buddy?
Actually...
What the heck was up with that?
If you want to risk your life...
Did you see that?
I've got one.
No, I was watching Jordan. But if you want to risk your life, you can help Jordan out. Although...
Where is he?
I can't say. Well, he's not there anymore, so... He was at the door, the fuse
Oh,
door.
okay.
He was
That's a shame.
just sitting next to it.
Oh, I know approximately where that is, yeah.
Yeah. Did you text him? Because I don't know where he's going.
Not quite.
He's making a move. I don't understand what the move is, but he's making a move. Actually, hold off on that text, maybe. I want to see
Making
how
a-
this plays out. I think I know what he's up to.
Oh. I just.
All right, I'm back.
Hey!
Alright. corpse of Grandpa.
So who's the survivors? Who's the killers?
I escaped. Jordan and
Jordan's still
Alistair are
alive.
on their way out.
Yeah.
Kim's
Oh,
been
so you're in the
Kim's
basement.
been being a
Okay.
nuisance, but we don't know what Dust has been up to, like at all.
I haven't
Yeah,
seen him for
Jordan,
so long.
Jordan found the door to leave, went up there, turned the fuse on, and went straight back and left. That's amazing. You got to do
That
that.
makes sense though.
Alistair, what is this play? What are you trying to accomplish here? Do you just want them to see you do it or
You'll find
something?
Oh, you'll find out.
I don't know if I want you to succeed or end up getting killed from this.
I'm fine either or.
Believe that. Like a second.
I mean, can you guys see that on your screen right now? He's alerting a chicken.
It's
Can you
not
see it?
Dustin, and it's not Kim. I'm like mentally abusing this chicken.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Nope. Don't see a chicken. No
Really?
Those are
chicken.
close.
Is there a range on those things?
I don't see no chicken.
You could be lying now. You're trying to cut you in the act.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering, you know?
Yeah. Where the fuck are they?
I don't know. These are terrible friggin' murders, I'll tell you what.
I mean, Kim was pretty good while I was alive. But...
Yeah.
I'm getting bored of my plan. I might just go.
Okay, then just go.
He's leaving.
Bug you guys about?
He's gone. Where the fuck are you guys?
You disconnected, sir. You disconnected.
Yeah. Jordan was down there next to him when you opened the gate.
There was a car with a trunk. I kept hiding it. I was hoping one of you two would come around. I'd burst out like, "Ha, it's me!" And then just do a victory lap outside.
That's what I thought the plan was, but I couldn't be certain.
Yeah, so she sings to herself a lot, and the stuff she's singing about is like, what the fuck?
I couldn't make it out. People
What
were talking the
happened?
whole time. Right, so the people other than Leatherface, they can't enter the basement until Grandpa wakes up.
Oh, they can enter after.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, you want the remote? Here.
No.
No?
Ooh.
No. Ood.
I don't know if we want to be over here. I'm gonna be honest.
Do you hear singing?
I'm gonna put pizza on pretty soon, okay,
Not
buddy?
singing.
Okay. Hey, you want some water? Yeah.
Do you consider a chainsaw revving to be singing? Because I don't.
No, I don't either.
Going away, revving his chainsaw.
Oh, he's not revving anymore. He found me.
Nope. Are you down here, Clayton?
I need to lay down for a nap.
I am, or do you hear me singing?
Oh, recover faster! Recover
Yes,
faster!
I hear
Recover
you
faster!
singing. Oh, don't come in here.
This is fucking Jordan, isn't it?
No,
No,
Jordan.
no,
Let's
okay.
play
Oh, I
it.
was
Jordan's
so
Leatherface.
fucking
Oh.
lucky.
I was wondering why you weren't saying anything when I was taunting you. I was taunting Leatherface so hard. He kept on going around a corner, and I go around the other way. Then I go around the other way.
Go it. Ooh.
Hey, get back here! Who was that? I think it was
Might have been
Evan.
me.
I think it was you. I forgot I could crawl in the hole after you, so I fucking left.
I'm going.
Looks like you guys escaped, so I'm gonna come back to the surface if I can find the way there.
Jeez, Clayton, how have I not seen you this entire time? Like, we were all in the basement. Were you chasing someone?
No, I was just kind of slowly. I was getting into character. I was just slowly roaming around singing to myself. Then I barged through a door.
You're getting into character.
Then I barged through a door and saw Evan run through a hole, and I forgot I could actually chase him through it, and then I lost him.
I feel so lucky not to have come across any, like, the booby trap stuff either.
I think
Oh,
it's only
oh.
become prevalent in the past like 2 games that people even realized they could do that shit.
Ah, that does make sense.
Oh, fuck off, sissy!
Oh, fuck you. Fuck
I
off.
found you, Evan.
Fuck off, old man. Fuck off.
That sissy is pissy.
Oh, hey. No! Fuck off, I can't see anything. Mom! Oh, god damn it. Okay. Fuck off, chicken.
That fucking rat chicken,
off,
you know?
man.
Yeah.
Oh, I took some swipes out there and it emptied my stamina.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Slow down, Evan.
Fuck off.
I ran out of stamina again. I'm getting mad. Get back here.
Fuck!
I think you
This is
just sealed your fate.
Bullshit, man.
Oh, that's brutal, though.
Bullshit.
Her fucking execution's so gross.
That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Bullshit.
I heard you tinkering around with something.
Man. I went past the fucking car battery.
Oh, you found the car battery.
I don't remember. Do me and Jordan want the generator on or off?
The
Oh, we
car
want it
battery-
on.
oh,
Good.
totally.
I fucking when I
Yeah.
saw Evan, I just instinctively turned it off. 'Cause I was like, oh, maybe it shouldn't be on. But it turns
Yeah.
out we wanted it on.
I feel comfortable saying it now that it's long after. Clayton, you motherfucker, poisoning that fucking thing, even after I said I didn't come
The
across
health
one for a
bottle.
long time. Yeah.
That's pretty good. Oh,
Dustin
Dustin got
escaped.
away. What did he even do?
He must have done the,
I think he did the car battery.
yeah.
I didn't realize that you also need a lockpick when you do the car battery thing.
Yeah.
Well, it should just be unlocked now, shouldn't it? Or
Well, he's dead.
I think so,
Technically, I
but
don't know how it works. Yeah.
well, somebody else already shut it off. When I was there, like nothing was hooked up.
guessing Kim might have shut off.
No.
I might have had to
didn't
have
do
turned
that.
it on
Clayton says
before
something
I.
about
Sometimes it's
left.
attached to the generator.
Yeah.
Oh, so I might have did it by accident then. That sucks.
Mm. You did say you messed with it, didn't you?
Oh, I forgot I had a fuse on me too.
Oh, okay, I'll have to find your body now.
I escaped.
Oh. We'll have to find your living body then.
I'm a survivor, boy.
Yeah, I was here at the start of the game. I didn't really realize I had to activate this to begin with. Like, I spawned here. And
Right?
yeah, I spawned here and
I-
the car
I
was
made that
off. I
mistake
had to
before,
turn
too.
it on. So Dustin literally just got over here and left because I didn't know I had to
Mm.
turn it on.
You remember when people were running down the highway? That's the same thing that happened to me.
Yeah. It looks like Jordan was wise to it. He figured out how Dustin got away. So who's left? Kim? And Alistair.
No, I'm
No, not me.
pretty sure Alistair got away.
I don't think so.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure he got away.
Yeah, you can check the scoreboard. He's not gone.
Oh. Who's Leatherface?
I heard
Jordan.
that.
This is so unfortunate. Excuse me.
Bitch.
God damn it.
Going for the well.
No, the well!
Oh,
The well!
bitches!
Damn!
Oh! If I only knew where this was compared to where the exit is, I don't know.
So Kim,
Did you die?
Wow.
what just happened?
It does kill you!
I thought he
died
did.
in
I think he died
amputation.
too much falling down the well. He took too much damage.
Did you already recover before? or
pretty
no?
good.
I thought you'd have a chance to recover.
Yeah, that's what I thought as well. But all my character did was get up a little bit, fall into her neck, and then it went like backwards. I knew something was wrong.
Your strategy should be to do something.
You know what? Your strategy is to.
She's just up in a fucking bush again, isn't she?
I'm not in a bush.
I was going around
She's
checking
doing more
bushes.
than, last time.
I was checking.
Now that plenty of time has passed, I think you have to be so close to actually see someone do noise.
You think?
Because
think
I
that
kept
too.
scaring that chicken when you and Dustin were looking for me.
I
Neither of you
nearly
ever spoke
passed that
Ken.
freaking chicken. I nearly passed it. Ugh. I mean, I have a fuse, so I could definitely go for the fuse box.
Fuse box is already done.
I just gotta
You
go
just
hit
need
it.
to pull the lever.
Just need to go pull the leather. Leather. You know, I think I might run for the basement.
You guys are so full of shit.
No, seriously, I have. So, I found an extra fuse when I was doing that confuddle with little Mr. Chase me around.
She actually already escaped, and she's starting a new life with a family.
Something with the family.
I think she's in a bush
Oh,
around
so you're
me
gonna say,
somewhere.
I have no idea where you are, so I can't comment on that.
Nice voice there, Clayton.
Thanks, man. So I'm definitely near Kim because you heard me. I know she's around here somewhere. I just don't know where.
Start swinging in those bushes.
If I pass her in these
I'm
bushes,
gonna-
I'm gonna be
Bush
so
right there.
pissed because I'm like looking so carefully.
He's
Yeah,
feeling all right.
I'm running for the basement. Like,
Bullshit.
yeah. So I got away. Take that.
Jordan left the gate open, so you might have actually left. I don't think so, but
Blaming Jordan.
I won't tell the others.
Like she's living her best life now.
This is so hard. I'm slowly thinking whoever keeps beating Grandpa can go suck it. I'm gonna go look for the valve.
I'm telling you, go look for the valve.
Yeah,
No one expects you to look for the valve.
yeah.
Jim, just come out from hiding already. I can hear somebody texting you.
Not me.
What do you
not
mean
me.
someone's texting me?
Probably Fat Finger Evan.
No,
I
nobody's
ain't.
texting me. Who's texting you?
Nobody. Should see if Jordan
Are
sent
you
one
sure about
actually.
that?
He didn't. Okay.
Yeah. We're in the basement.
No, you're
You
not.
bastard.
No, you're not.
I am in
You're
the
not.
basement.
You're in a bush
I-
around here somewhere. I know it.
I'm not.
I know you are. It's
I-
so fucking hard to see them. I know she's here somewhere.
Evan, I
know
forget.
it.
You on victim or family side?
What, me?
He's dead. I killed Evan ages ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wasn't fair.
Have you checked in the basement?
No, I'm not
Where?
checking the basement.
You should go to the basement. That's literally.
Funny watching you walk around though, Clayton. It's like watching an NPC walking around looking.
I know you can see me. I fucking knew it. Where the fuck is she now?
It doesn't feel like you're a person looking around. It's weird.
There's so many goddamn bushes for her to hide in here too. Oh, Jordan closed that gate.
There's a problem with this.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, that's the big problem. The battery's still connected.
Instantly does that? That's some bullshit.
You need to.
Go to the car.
Go to the car. Okay,
Wait, how
where
much
is
did
the
he
fucking car?
You could have followed the
You
line.
just gotta follow the cable.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Hello, car, dearie.
I think I just
was like,
died.
what?
What?
To
I
the
think
generator.
you just passed the generator.
Wait, Clayton's character can die?
No, I'm back alive now, but...
What?
Did she get out, or is she still
Did
in
You
here?
get
Did Jordan,
electrocuted?
Jordan stop her? Yeah,
Did
I
you
got
get
electrocuted.
He
electrocuted?
certainly
I did, yeah.
got electrocuted.
That's
Oh,
funny.
That's great. Where is?
Probably heal yourself.
I probably should, but I can hear somebody. Fucking rock. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no,
Oh,
no, no, no. Fuck you.
Why didn't you heal when you had the chance?
Yeah.
Did Jordan get her?
Are you dead or
but-
something?
No, I'm alive.
Jordan's Leatherface, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
No fucking way. He's gonna let her escape. No, Jordan, no! Not like this!
Oh.
No.
Jordan's
Oh.
onto her. He's on
Ah,
her.
he got ya!
Yeah, Grandpa told us where she was.
Does he reveal you even when you're staying still?
Maybe she moved, I don't know, but we saw her. It highlighted her.
Oh,
I kind of figure like once he gets leveled up enough,
Like
he
the
probably
game's going
should.
too
oh my
long.
god.
So what fucking bush were
That
you
was
in?
it
You
for
were in
me,
a
I
bush,
guess.
right?
I'm not telling you that's a good one. I'm keeping that bush to
But
myself.
she's like, I'm in the basement. Like, this was our view, Clayton.
I knew damn well there wasn't no basement. I saw you trigger a noise when I first entered there, so I knew you were there somewhere. And once I walked over, everybody was like, "Oh, basement, fuse box, all this stuff." Jesus, even from that picture you just sent, I don't know where the fuck that is.
Good.
Yeah. You were around. There was one point you came, she could have punched you in the snatch.
You're so close to me.
I
Like,
had
we
the
could've
camera
touched
down
that.
looking in there, and I could not see anything out of the ordinary.
Oh.
Yeah, I think there's
Who's
two of them
that?
underneath the house, but I can't figure out how to get down.
Stay up there.
I don't
You have to
wanna.
look for Jordan.
I'll kill you guys.
I should.
She's ratting Jordan out. Did you hear that?
I heard it.
Look for Jordan and not.
For Jordan and not mom, is that what I heard?
Yeah,
I
look
think
for
I did
Jordan,
hear
not
that.
mom. She's ratting out.
I'm pretty sure at least one of them left the basement.
If they did it, I don't think it was through the house. Oh, there's one behind me! I think it's Dustin! I'm chasing him. Run to you, run to you!
Dustin! Oh! I thought the chainsaw was there. It must have stopped.
Not this fucking place again.
The way out. God damn it.
This house is a maze. Ah, he pushed me down! He pushed me down! Catch him!
My chainsaw stalled!
Catch him! He's...
I can't, my chainsaw stalled!
Get him! Get him! I poisoned him!
No way
I
out.
poisoned him!
Run!
How many times do I gotta hit him? Holy shit! I slashed him like 8 times and I poisoned him. He's still going. Did he get out the front door?
I got him. But the
son
chainsaw
of a
stalled
bitch.
again. God damn. Oh God, you're there!
That was bullshit.
You came out of nowhere. You scared me.
I started climbing up the ladder,
Oh, my bad,
and it
my bad.
started telling me that someone could see me, and I was like, "Ah, fuck." I was just sitting outside.
Is someone here?
Oh, so did you climb up a ladder and that's how I saw you?
Yeah.
Oh. I have a feeling on the route back here. I don't
People
remember.
understand there's a time limit for the victims, right?
I don't remember if I left that door open or not. I didn't think I did, but then
And there's a
Dustin's
possibility
body
I
is
could have
out
opened it
here,
too.
so.
Like,
Did you hit Bones, or was one of
they're
them behind me?
probably upstairs. No, I think I hit some bones down here.
In the house?
Not in the house. They're
No,
up there.
yeah, one of them's here
There's
somewhere.
rapscallions.
I had my back turned, so I don't know where they went. Oh, I found one! I found Jordan! He's upstairs!
Oh, thank goodness. I finally found... Oh, no. Is this the ladder exit? Fuck, it's the ladder exit.
Damn it, I lost
I'm
him.
trying to get out, Clayton. I'm trying.
I lost him.
Oh, found a way out.
Grandpa's
Grandpa's
in danger.
Wait a
Did-
minute. Oh, wait,
did
that's you.
No, she came through here, though. I saw her.
She didn't go downstairs, then.
Damn it. I was right behind her and we lost her. What the fuck?
No, I'm your favorite. I won't tell the others.
Oh, victims cannot hide.
Why? Because he's a level 5?
I guess, yeah.
So does that mean they can't jump in something to hide? Or if we get in within range, we can just see them now?
Oh, I clearly saw where they were.
I didn't.
Next time he yells out, just keep a look around.
Yeah, maybe I'm out of range. I don't know.
Where are you going?
You see one? Oh, I found Jordan.
Oh, not just he. I think I found Kim.
Oh, that Jordan. He jumped down the well.
Well, don't worry, I'm down here.
Okay, good.
Why don't you try hiding in that freezer, Kim? Oh, she got away. Oh, but Jordan's right here.
Jordan's gonna run up the ladder right into me, I think.
Oh, I'll make sure he goes that way. Whoops, that's... Fuck, he's not right next to me like I thought he was.
Is that you making that noise down there with the door? Oh, here he is. He's up here.
Probably.
I stabbed him to death while he was on the ladder.
Do you see Kim any? Oh, there she is. How
Alright,
did
so
you get behind me there?
Grandpa level 5 is a big benefit.
Oh, yeah.
Every time he yells, we just see them. So is Kim still down in the basement?
Yep. Last time I saw her, but that was a few seconds ago. That was me who closed the door. Wait a minute!
I actually don't see her this time. Oh,
That was
there
a
she
good
is.
hiding spot. And don't worry, I found her. She was almost right directly next to me.
She went through the door. Take a left to the next door, or there was like a
Door
skinny
wouldn't
thing
open.
she went through. You passed it already.
She's up with you, look, by looks like... Oh, is that... No, that's not.
Yeah, how did she get up here? Shit, I don't
Is
know.
that
my
Grandpa
way up.
yelling, or did I use my ability to see you?
She might have jumped back down the well. Unless she opened this.
Well, that's not wise.
No, that's not open. Thought I saw her pick him with a walk or something, but
I keep thinking I see that too.
did you see her?
She's back down to me again.
Yep. How's she getting around so fast?
I don't know. Grandpa's in danger.
She must be trying to stab him.
Don't stab Grandpa. That's rude.
Seriously, how is she moving around so fucking quick, though?
Oh my god, no. Come on, come on, come on. Stop it. Stop it.
Are you on her?
I'm not scared, motherfucker.
Oh, she's right here!
Oh, there she is, yes.
I didn't even see her.
I'm trying to kill myself before.
I was a little quicker than you, Clayton.
I was out of stabs.
How dare you see our chicken?
Oh my god.
I was out of slashes. I couldn't more anyway.
Making Grandpa proud.
Oh
Advocate a perfect family win.
Yeah.
Oh.
I fucking there's like one door to get out, and there's a booby trap in front of it, and he's just hiding in the fucking house.
Jordan's funny.
That's
I don't like that
funny.
Jordan can fit through these fucking cracks, man.
Oh, yeah, this shit's really nice.
Back in the
Hey,
hole.
hey, hey, hey! Get out here!
You know what? How about you come here? Do you ever consider that?
I will if I can find the way in.
Oh, you. Nope, nope, nope,
There's
nope.
no moving.
Ah!
What the fuck did I just hear?
This black guy's ability highlights like noises in your teammates and shit like that. I thought they were all the gray ones were your
Oh.
friendlies, but one of them was Jordan.
I heard you pop the window, Alistair.
Hoping the well was down here. It was not. Wow. That sucked. I found the valve handle.
Are you kidding me?
Opened the
That,
break box.
like, that bear trap was activated. Like I thought it was already activated. I got caught in it again.
Huh?
Fuck you, Jordan. Fuck you.
Jordan found you again? Jeez, he's doing everything right now.
He's got that trap on the door, and I can't fucking get past it. I keep getting caught in it.
Jump out the window.
I don't want to break my legs.
Yeah.
Well, I bet you can get away from him at least.
Uh-oh.
Run! Run to the shed with the ladder in it.
Oh, it might kill you. Come on, bitches!
Don't tell me it's a
Stay
window
low
I
where
just
you're at
left
for the
from.
moment. You're gonna want to get out of there.
I was camping it, waiting for him to
The valve
hopefully
handle-
come out, and then he goes
the valve
off when I
handle is
jump.
in that door if you get a chance to come back here.
I got a valve handle.
Okay,
I'm dead.
yeah.
Oh my god, I can hear that from here.
I didn't notice this way. Oh, I wish I noticed this way.
Damn, I burnt my chainsaw out.
Oh, look at that.
Fucking Jordan.
Jordan's like on our case tonight.
I know. I haven't done shit all. He's done it all. So who's left? Kim?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this guy has a run button.
Which guy?
He's gonna run
Chainsaw guy.
I
He
never
has
mentioned that, did I?
away.
he has a run button.
What's the run button?
It's LB.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I discovered that too. I forgot to mention it.
Man, all those
I
slow
assumed you
chases
guys
would
already
be
did.
so much better.
Oh, I see Jordan's traps. How is he even doing that?
Annoyingly.
He's putting down more
That's
traps.
his right bumper ability. Stop moving,
Oh.
Kim. Stop.
Oh, she disconnected.
She got disconnected. The ultimate killer.
Man, that sucks. What was she doing? Was she in a bush?
She was in a bush
Yeah.
outside the house. Just
You guys,
just in a fucking bush.
Yeah,
the entire time I heard Alistair fall out the window, Evan fall out the window and get killed. and
You were there when I jumped out of the window? It's like, how did that should go?